Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an important aspect of intravenous fluid. Fluid stands for intravenous fluid, which refers to a solution administered directly into a vein through a needle or catheter. It's used to provide hydration, deliver medications, or replenish electrolytes and nutrients when a person cannot take them orally. Intravenous fluids come in various types, each designed for specific medical needs: normal saline, dextrose solutions, dextrose normal saline, Ringer's lactate solution, or plasmalite, etc. Dextrose solutions, also known as glucose solutions, are sterile solutions containing dextrose, glucose, dissolved in water. Here are the key aspects of dextrose solutions. Concentrations. Dextrose solutions come in various concentrations, typically ranging from 5% to 50%. The concentration refers to the amount of dextrose in grams per 100 milliliters of solution. Uses: hydration and calorie supplementation. Lower concentrations, example 5% dextrose, are often used as maintenance fluids to provide hydration and a source of calories for patients who cannot eat or drink orally. Treatment of hypoglycemia. Dextrose solutions, particularly higher concentrations, example 50% dextrose, are used to rapidly raise blood sugar levels in patients with hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. Diluent for medications. Dextrose solutions are used as diluents for certain medications and intravenous infusions. Isotonicity. Lower concentrations of dextrose solutions, example 5%, are isotonic when infused, meaning they have a similar osmotic pressure to blood plasma. Higher concentrations, example 50%, are hypertonic and may cause vein irritation if infused rapidly. Storage. Dextrose solutions should be stored in their original containers at room temperature, protected from light. They should not be frozen or exposed to extreme temperatures. Administration. Dextrose solutions are typically administered intravenously. The rate of infusion depends on the patient's condition, fluid needs, and electrolyte status. Precautions. Hypertonic solutions may cause local irritation or phlebitis at the infusion site if administered too rapidly. Monitoring blood glucose levels is important when administering dextrose solutions, especially in patients with diabetes or altered glucose metabolism. Care should be taken to avoid contamination during preparation and administration. Dosage, choice of concentration and rate of infusion depends on the patient's needs and medical condition. 1 to 2 liter 24 hours.